Dear student, how are you? I hope that all are student well. Today I am going to take a class for you. At first, all our students welcome in my class. Before taking my class, I am going to introduce. I am Sudarshan Chakraborty, Senior Teacher English, Harpara High School, Raujan. Dear student, today I am going to take a class for class 8. Look at the image. We can see that there are some sentences in the slide. Number 1, buy me a shirt. This is active voice. Let a shirt be bought for me. This is passive. Number 2, open the door. This is active voice. And let the door be opened. This is passive. He hurt himself. This is active voice. He was hurt by himself. This is passive. Pluck me a flower. This is active voice. Let a flower be plucked for me. This is passive. So we can see that there are two kinds of sentences in the slide. Number 1, imperative sentence, and number 2, replacive pronoun sentence. Dear student, now you can easily understand today's lesson. And today's lesson voice change. And today we are going to discuss two kinds of voice change. Number 1, imperative sentence, and number 2, replacive object. Dear student, learning outcomes after end of the lesson we will be able to number 1, define of imperative sentence. Number 2, identify the structure of reflex subject. Number 3, change into active to passive. Dear student, definition of imperative sentence. What is imperative sentence? A sentence that expresses an order, advice, or request is called an imperative sentence. We see that there are 3 kinds of sentence. Number 1, do it, and this is order. Number, tell a lie, this is advice. And please give me of water, this is request. So, dear student, we can easily understand that if the meaning of the sentence is order, advice, or request, this sentence will be imperative sentence. Now, passive voice of imperative sentence. If the verb in active voice express order, request, advice, the structure will be let plus subject of object plus be plus V3. V3 means verb past participle plus by subject will be object. As an example, open the door. This is active voice. If I change the sentence from active to passive, and passive will be at first we have to take a let. Now object will be subject, and then be, and then principal verb past participle. In this sentence, principal verb will be open, so past participle open. So surely this sentence passive. Let the door be open. Next sentence, open your book. This is active voice. And passive will be, at first will be let. Now object will be subject. Now be. Now a principal verb will be past participle form. Dear student, a imperative sentence negative structure at first let dot plus object plus b plus v3. V3 means verb past participle plus subject will be object. There are some sentences in the slide. Number 1, do not tell a lie. This is imperative negative. When we change the sentence from active to passive, passive will be at first let, then not, then object will be subject, then be, then principal verb past participle. In this sentence, principal verb tell, so past participle told. Same category sentence I have given for your practice. Number 1, do not beat the dog. Number B, do not eat this banana. Number C, do not laugh at the poor. Number D, do not play football. None. Dear student, I have showed already one sentence as example. Next time I have changed this sentence from active to passive, and you have to follow same category, and you have to follow same category from active to passive. I have given 4 sentences for your practice. Dear student, if the imperative sentence start with let plus personal object me, us, you, him, her, them, this structure will be let plus object plus be plus v3. V3 means principal verb past participle form plus by plus personal object. There is an example active. Let me do the work. When we change the sentence from active to passive, passive will be at first let, then object will be the verb, next be, next principal verb will be past participle, do past participle done, next subject will be object, and before object by preposition. And next sentence, let him do the work. This is active voice, passive, let, next object will be subject, the work, next be, next principal verb past participle done, next by, next subject will be object. So same category sentence I have given 4 sentences for your practice. Number 1, let the girl sing a song. Let us play cricket. Number C, let him do it. Number D, let her eat rice. So you practice same category passive voice. Dear student, now next, if the imperative sentence start with main verb plus personal object, if the structure will be let plus object plus be plus v3. V3 means principal verb past participle form plus for plus personal object. As an example I have given, number 1, active voice, buy me a shirt, and passive at first let, next object will be subject a shirt, next be, next principal verb will be past participle form, by past participle form both, next a personal for object for me. Same category, give them the book. When we change the sentence from active to passive, at first let, next object will be subject, next be, next principal verb past participle give, past participle given, next for, next a personal pronoun. Same category sentence I have given for your practice. Number 1, pluck me a flower. Number B, bring him a pen. Number C, buy me a computer. Number D, give me the pen. Dear student, you practice same category sentence. Follow the example of my sentence. Next, I am going to show next is other categories voice change imperative. If the imperative sentence start with never, this structure will be let plus never plus object plus B plus V3. V3 means past participle form. Active, never tell a lie. When we change the sentence from active to passive, passive will be at first late, next never, next object will be subject, in the subject lie, next be, next principal verb past participle form, in this sentence principal verb tell, so tell will be past participle told. Next sentence, never drive a car recklessly. When we change the sentence from active to passive, at first late, then never, then object will be subject, object a car, object will be subject a car, next be, next principal verb past participle form drive, past participle form driven, and remaining part of this sentence there is no change. Next sentence, never disobey your teacher. When we change the sentence from active to passive, and passive will be let, then never, then object will be subject your teacher, next be, next principal verb will be past participle form, disobey past participle form disobey. Dear student, next I am going to show other categories imperative. If the imperative sentence start with please, start will be you are requested to, and please omitted plus extension. As an example, I have given active, please do the work, and please is omitted from this sentence, and instead of please there are three sentences has come from outside. Number one, you are requested, and please is omitted from this sentence. Then two, then a remaining part of this sentence there is no change. Next sentence, please come here. Please is omitted from this sentence, and instead of please I have taken three words. Number one, you, number two, are, number three, principal verb will be past requested, then two, and remaining part of the sentence there is no change. Next sentence, please give me a glass of water, and please is omitted from this sentence, and instead of please I have taken you are requested to, and please is omitted from this sentence, and remaining part of this sentence there is no change. Dear student, now I am going to show replacive object voice change. If the active voice is with the replacive object, this structure will be a subject no change plus auxiliary verb plus B3 plus by plus replacive object. As an example, I have given active, he killed himself, but when we change the sentence from active to passive, he is subject, there is no change. I have taken was because this sentence first indefinite, there is a rules of voice. If the active voice first indefinite, in the passive we have to take was or were. In this sentence subject he, so I have taken was, principal verb will be past participle form kill, then by, and replacive pronoun there is no change. Next sentence, she finds herself passive, she, subject there is no change, and this sentence present indefinite, there is a rules of voice change. If the active voice present indefinite, in the passive we have to take am or is or are. In this sentence she, third person singular number, so I have taken she, then principal verb will be past participle form, fan past participle form fanet, then by, and replacive pronoun there is no change. Dear student, I have going to give you some home tasks. There are 6 sentences for your home tasks, and you will do the exercise, and next class I am going to check your answer. Dear student, stay at home, stay safe and sound. You know that coronavirus is going to affect it day by day, and this situation is going to be dangerous day by day. So you wear masks. Without wearing mask, you have no right to go out, and you wash your hand after 15 minutes. Thank you to all.